All right, here we go. There are two assignments you want to make sure you turn in that are not in the grid book just yet. 121, 128, quadratic function, invert function, and then the one you got yesterday, crash course assignment. If you need it, it's in the blue bin. Okay. So does everyone know today you're working on the one you got yesterday based on yesterday's notes? Both of those are in the blue bin. Some. Most. Yeah, except for Hank. Yeah, a lot of people were missing. So let's do this. What you're going to do is when you're given an equation, drop it into Desmos. Y'all know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Y'all know how to get a table?
Yeah.
Hit that gear table if you need it. Okay. This says what's the vertex. Now, does everyone know the vertex is at the very either bottom or top, right? It's wherever it changes directions. So on this one, the vertex is 2, 0. Now, what's the y-intercept? Where does it cross the y-axis? Well, right here at 0, 4. Now, usually there's 2 x-intercepts. Sometimes there's none. Sometimes there's 1. And this is the case where this graph touches the x-axis only one time at 2, 0. We talked about this like first semester.
I was just watching
Oh my. Now, the domain we said last 9 weeks, last semester, and yesterday, all real numbers makes the domain. All the way to the left, all the way to the right. The only thing you really got to worry about is the range. Okay. Remember, range is your y value. So the 28th. Now the question is, does this go up or down from the vertex? So here's the vertex. It goes up, so it's going to be greater than. And since range is y, you're going to put y is greater than or equal to. What is the y value right here at the vertex? It's not 2, because that's the x value. What is this y value right here? You'll see it? What's the y value? Real quick, this number is 0. Okay, I'll expand this. So y is greater than or equal to 0. So if you wanted to sketch a graph, okay, it was over 2. It was up 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Whatever. So that is the warm-up. Now, we had examples of this stuff on the notes. The notes are in the blue bin if you need them, for if you weren't here. And the assignment's in the blue bin if you need it, if you weren't here. But you want to be finishing those two up. If you need to make up a quiz 1 or 2, linear or quadratic, I'm going to get you to do that first. Okay? We're going to get this stuff done. Here we go.